Welcome. Today I am with Motorola Vervebuds 110 and I'll show you how you can connect them to your Apple Watch. So at the first you have to remember about one thing. You have to charge your case and buds inside at least to the 50%. Right here you can find USB micro port. You have to plug your cable and charge them. When you make it, you have to open the case and remove both earbuds. When you make it, these indicators right here start blinking on the red and the blue color. Sorry guys. So it means that right now they are in the pairing mode and we have to grab our Apple Watch, go for the settings, move for the Bluetooth and just take a look on the available devices list. In this place we can find our Vervebuds, so tap on them once. Now just wait, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So as you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.